What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Guys, before we start, I want to just go ahead and describe here what the importance is to watch these videos as far as you can, right? Sometimes I try to make them as short as I can, but I want to make sure that that is a thing here, right? Because of what was mentioned just yesterday, and a lot of people weren't really aware over what happened, right? So let's just go ahead and take a look at this here, team, because I would love for you to, kind of be aware over what's happening here. So yeah, let's just switch over here to yesterday's clip from the video that we put out on with the fire and XRP and everything. But take a listen, guys. Here you go. To even lower targets, I do still believe that this can hit right in this vicinity here, anywhere between the 92,000 to about 94,248, right? Even in this area here, I still believe that Bitcoin is still bullish and still would continue upside continuation. Okay, guys, so if that happens, that means that XRP here would experience another little bit of a capitulation event, right? Even touching back down into the zones of about that 190 into the 203 level. Just be careful. I'm not. All right, guys. So yes, that is actually what I just wanted to show you here, right? But this is towards the end of the video. We're looking at around 7 minutes and 25 seconds into what we saw yesterday, and we specifically talking about BTC running into the $90,000 to $92,000 zone. Well, here you go, right? That is the $92,000, $92,177 before we experienced that upside. Now, looking at XRP, well, that also look at the bottom side, right? We were talking about your 190s, right? So there you go. So we ended up reaching those targets even still. And from this, we are now creating the new highs that we were expecting, right? We're now within the range that we were at yesterday, right? We were expecting resistance in this area yesterday from a little bit of a short-term bull flag formation, giving a target of about 237. We ended up reaching 235.40, but all good, right, team? So yeah, nonetheless, we still have a lot of strength coming in the market, as you can see right now, right, guys? Very, very bullish time. So let's go ahead and break this down and find out what we have in store, at least for volatility and momentum, right? The hourly time frame looking very powerful already, about to get that crossover on the volatility index. So let's just get granular here. Let's go into the 10-minute time frame and find out what's up. All right, 10-minute time frame also, right? Very nice upward trend here, breaking above this major resistance here, ascending triangle, right? Giving us the potential targets to the upside already on this breakout. So if we are going to consider here this formation as the I guess if we're going to consider here this formation as the go-to here for the targets, then let's why don't we go ahead and measure it up here just like this here, and we'll get the top bounds and everything, right, guys? So this would be the formation just like that, just roughly, right? We're not gonna make rocket science out of this, buddy. I forgot who it was that was over there saying this is not rocket science. I don't know if he was talking about me. I don't know what he was talking about, but I love you, man. And I just want you to just kind of look at these things as just probabilities based trading, right? And everything will be okay. So yeah, the first target to the upside, since we already kind of met the first one from this target here, would be the center of the triangle. Will be a little more of the popular target here, right? Using formation analysis, this would be telling us that we're experiencing a target here coming up to about $2.34, right? 235 just about, and we're trading at 234.60, right? We are about to hit that target number one from this formation. So very good stuff on that breakout, right? Second target would be the upper bound here, the largest point of that triangle, and that would be a target of about $2.39, right? So now if we're using the actual price action here, then that's actually pretty damn close to these pivots here at 239.59, right? So yeah, I guess we would be able to put down something like this here, right? Using these pivots down here too. I mean, I can see also the 237s in there. Honestly, I think that we could, I think that we should better use the primary pivots like this one here, right? 238.48. So we'll put it up just like this, team, and we'll use this top bound right here so that we can use this wick as a middle point, right? The 50% of that range. There you go, right? So this is currently the resistance that we're looking for, and there is your target, right? So we are meeting it very, very nicely. I do expect a potential continuation of XRP here to 238.58 to 240.51 in the more immediate short-term time frame. Okay, you guys, so this is looking pretty damn good. Let's go ahead and now cascade the time and find out what's going on here with the 10-minute time frame and everything else, right? Very strong 10-minute green candle here. It did suggest a downside based on this trend here, but it could be corrective. Now we're getting a massive volatility spike on there. 30-minute time frame already getting that volatility spike as well, with an upside bias on stochastics. Hourly time frame, same situation. We spoke about that too, right? 3 minutes and 21 seconds to close this hourly bar, and that would likely give us a continuation towards the upside. A little bit of a weird inverse head and shoulders there, a little herple-derple, as Crown says, right? But looking very good. By hourly time frame as well, showing us a potential upside here, right? Volatility is starting to expand just a little bit. Stochastic momentum still arguably pivoted towards the upside, although a little bit overbought there, right? So 3-hour time frame is looking a little overbought as well. But guys, all of these time frames I'm talking about, they're going to be closing here in just under 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So this is likely going to shift towards a continuation. Expect a potential pullback onto these bars though, right? So I guess entry, this is going to be like right now, right? But entry criteria could actually be around the 50% retrace of these bars here. So naturally speaking, I do believe that XRP could be reaching a support zone of around 230.87 to 231.49 before continuing towards that upside. So I'm going to go ahead and try to end this video here as soon as possible so that it does get to your hands before these moves happen, right? So all good in the hood, guys. There you go. This is just about those upper bound targets that we were expecting here, right? The first target that we were getting. All right, nice. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see how we're looking at volatility versus momentum. Very nice upward pivot here. We're still within that 50% of the volatility index. I still think that we could actually experience a little more of a volatility push here, and I think it's going to happen more along. I guess it may actually happen a little bit further down the line, right? Why I say that is because of the earlier time frames. We need to wait for those to kind of catch up here, guys. So just a quick reminder, team, very quick reminder, the beginner's mentorship program will be starting here in just about, I would say, next Thursday. Okay, guys, so make sure to get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail so that you can understand how to trade the financial markets, right? Whether it be crypto, Forex, futures, anything like that, okay, team? So, yes, reach out to me at ArcMastersCourse. We're going to get the beginner's charting and trading mentorship program started pretty quickly here, team, okay? So reach out to me immediately and I'll give you that syllabus and disclaimer for whatever you want. Take advantage of that snowflake deal right now going on, guys. It's just a one-time thing. Of course, it's for the holiday season, and there is our target, right? We just kind of nailed that top side of the 234.90, right? We were looking at 234.90. There you go, guys. There you go. 234.90 just smacked right on our target, right? Good stuff indeed. All right, guys. So for continuation to the upside, I would say that the 6-hour time frame is looking okay as well, still with an upside pivot on that to, let's see, 8-hour time frame upside pivot with some expansion too. 12-hour time frame getting expansion with an upside bias on stochastic momentum. Daily time frame is bound to feel this at the close in 18 hours. Very impressive daily hammer candle here, guys, right? Very good stuff indeed. Just like it's very similar to this hammer candle where we actually experienced that upper bound. So from this hammer candle here over the span of just around a few days, we went up to 273 here. So God knows what's going to happen here on this one, right, guys? So very good indeed. I do like that it did get a little bit of a higher low from this previous low as well. Okay, guys, so just heads up on the upside potentials now, and everything will be good. All right, team. So I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. Let me make sure that I can get this video to you immediately so that you could consider your bags, right? All right, team. I love you all so much, and we will talk very soon. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you with the bell on Monday. Adios, team.